Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about why does Etsy charge us a fee on shipping? And it's pretty obvious. It's because in the olden days on Etsy or anywhere online, whenever a platform charges a fee just on the sale of the product and no fee on the shipping cost, people will put $1 on the product and $50 shipping to try to get around that. So Etsy had a reputation at the very beginning of being a platform that had very expensive shipping. And that's because people would move a lot of the product price into shipping to avoid paying the fee on that. Etsy figured that out and they said, fine, we'll just put the fee on everything. And the fee is charged when you bring money in from the customer. So the fee is charged, it's a 6.5% fee currently, and it's charged on any money that the customer pays to you. It's not charged when you buy the shipping label. That's a different thing. But the fee is based on the amount that the customer pays to you, including shipping. So it's the product plus shipping in order to avoid people inflating the shipping cost price, to avoid paying the fee. That's all it is. So anytime you wonder about that, that's the reason. But you're not paying a fee when you buy a shipping label on Etsy. You're just paying for the label. There's no additional fee on that. So just keep that in mind, because a lot of people think you're paying the fee when you're buying the label, but that's not the case. You're paying it when people pay you for the shipping. So give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful, if it clarified anything, and I will talk to you later.